Where's Sandy Landy at? There he is. He inspired this song many moons ago. It's called, he said, he's from Tulsa, Oklahoma. And I said, how'd you get in Port Aransas? He said, well, I came down here and I got stuck in the sand. So this song called Water, Sun, and Rolling Coast. It's like this. Your part goes like this. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Here we go. Violet finds peace of mind where the water meets the sand. She's been serving since 8 years old. Every day carving ways from sun up to sundown, feeding her spirit and feeding her soul. She believes in the water, believes in the sun, and a rolling coast. Water, sun, and rolling coast. Yeah. Lend his hand, shape his plans, one castle at a time. He got stuck in the sand long ago, stealing hearts with his art down there by the shore, till the next tide comes and it goes. 'Cause he believes in the water, believes in the sun, and the rolling coast. Water, sun, and rolling coast. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Mother Nature's ministry is not some hidden mystery. It all comes down to your proximity to that wonderful Trinity. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. My truck windshield is filled with permits for the beach. You can find me at Market 9. I'll be toasting the ocean, watching the waves for a while, just wasting away on island time. 'Cause I believe in the water, believe in the sun, and the rolling coast. Water, sun, and rolling coast. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. One more time. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Sha-la-la-la-la, hey, hey. Woohoo! All right. Sandy Landy.